Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. Honestly, they've just been so out of control lately, and since I still can't go and get my eyebrows done, I've been doing them myself, so I thought I'd show you guys how I do them. So I'm gonna start off with this one, and I find that this one is just never as perfect as this one. I don't know what happened, but somewhere along the way, my eyebrows stopped being sisters and they became cousins. So basically what I do is first of all, I don't like to zoom in too much because then I end up over plucking and then I have an extremely thin eyebrow, which is what I did when I was younger. So I like to start in the arch because I like to have a more sharp arch, a higher arch, and in order to achieve that I have to pluck more concentrated in here. So I'm going to start in there. I'm always used to having my eyebrows threaded, which is extremely painful when you let them grow out a lot. I prefer threading over waxing though, because I find that although waxing does have its benefits, that the fact that the hair doesn't grow in for 6 weeks or so, threading is more precise than waxing. Waxing is definitely less painful and quicker. But I go for threading more often than waxing. Everything is do it yourself lately, even my nails. I just put nail polish on half the time for the sake of not biting my nails because I have such a bad habit of biting my nails. Also, update, I have a second cat since I last updated the first one. They literally contrast in color. I'm probably gonna have to touch up in the mirror after this because anytime I do anything with this bright light, I always look in the mirror after and it's not 100% accurate. I noticed that I have these hairs that have been growing in here and they're really unnecessary because this side doesn't have them as much. If anybody else feels this when you're trying to pluck a specific hair and it's so stubborn and it just will not come out, kind of what's happening to me right now. Except I feel like it's all the hairs. This one right here. Okay, I got it. Perfect. So I noticed some people when they do their own eyebrows, they use a white liner to really get the shape, but for me, I feel like I really know what my shape is and how I want them to look, so I don't really need that guideline. The key is just making sure that you don't over pluck them more than anything else. It's always harder to do the right one because I use my left hand.
Oh my god, I'm pulling the skin way too much. No. It becomes way too bright.
Imagine doing your eyebrows on an iPhone on a ring light. Just imagine that. always the issue of the small ones. Okay, so I would say that is the end. So although you can't tell a huge difference in this lighting, if you got close up, you can definitely see a difference. So anyways, if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.